Blessed day to everyone and to my fellow IIE leaders and proud members of the IIE Northern Cavite chapter. It fills me with immense pride and gratitude to be with you today, not just as a guest, but as your founding president, returning to celebrate 2 decades of excellence, service, and leadership. 20 years ago, this chapter began as a small vision, a handful of passionate electrical practitioners determined to build a community that would grow, learn, and lead together. And today, we witness that vision in full bloom, stronger, brighter, and more united than ever. The Northern Cavite chapter has not only endured, but it has excelled. From hosting regional conferences that shape the direction of our profession to producing not just one, but two regional governors, to earning its well-deserved place in the Hall of Fame as Best Chapter. These are not just mere milestones, they are testament to a legacy of leadership that values mentorship, integrity, and service. But even as we celebrate our past, let us look boldly to the future. The world of electrical engineering is evolving rapidly. Smart grids, renewable energy, digital transformation, and the IIEE Northern Cavite chapter must continue to lead that change. Our greatest legacy will not be the awards on our walls, but the leaders we continue to inspire. The innovations we champion and the lives we touch. As your founding president, I leave you with this thought. True power is not in the current we control, but in the change we create. Congratulations to my beloved chapter, the IIE Northern Cavite chapter. May our next 20 years shine even brighter than today. Maraming salamat po.